Hey guys, today I want to take you through our 4-piece dining set. Now, everything in this dining set has been chosen specifically for a function. So you'll see what I mean in a minute as I'm talking through it. But basically, it's housed in our really tough and durable ammo box, which is our full polyethylene ammo box, keeping everything secure and in place, which is important. Now, on the inside, you will notice that our cutlery and our crockery is housed in these really durable foam inserts. So this is a high density foam. It's not that foam which is going to disintegrate and come apart on you over a few years. So really long-term cutlery box, tough as. So what you will notice is the amount of space that we have left in the top of this. This is perfect for you to add your own breadboard, tea towels, maybe even dishwashing or washing up liquid as well, can easily fit in the top. So nice bit of room there. Now on the sides we have our glasses. Now these are stored, yes, it is real glass. Great to be stored and housed in foam, which is protecting them. Also high quality glass product made in South Africa, giving us that great crisp taste that we can have in our whiskies or our rums or whatever you might drink, not having a tainted taste on what we're drinking as well. On the top end, we have our plates. Now, what you will notice is the size of our dinner plates, right? These are dinner plates or meat platters. All of the crockery is made out of melamine, so high-end melamine. It's microwave safe and dishwasher safe, which is fantastic, good quality product. Now, I've chosen these specifically on not just the size, that it's a really practical size when camping, that you can fit a plate on your lap, all right, and you don't have to sit really tight up and hold onto your plate, so that's great. Also, we've got a rim on the side of the plate, so when you have those juicy steaks and you've got sauce running around the plate, it's not going to go everywhere, all right? Everything stays in the plate. Also doubles up as a great server. So, off the fireplace, off the barbecue, you can pack your meat on there to serve to a couple of people. So, nice large plates. Then our bowls. Now, our bowls, deep bowls, very important, especially when you're having breakfast cereal with a lot of milk or, your yogurts and that type of thing, where you've got a nice deep rim, great soup server as well. So multi-purpose bowls, not a very shallow bowl. Now, what you'll notice on our side plates is our side plates are pretty much as large as many cheaper cutlery sets, major dinner plates, all right? We've gone with a really large side plate. It doubles up perfectly for a plate for the kids. And not just that, you can also add extras on your, like if you want to make a salad and have that just as a serving plate as well. So good size side plate. Then the mugs, decent sized mug, not a very small cup, so you can get a decent sized cup of coffee or tea in that. Also, being melamine, it's really heat resistant, so you're not going to burn your hand when holding a nice warm cup of coffee on a cold winter's morning. Now, the big thing is as well, our cutlery on the inside of the cutlery bag is all stored and in place. And the first thing that you'll notice is that there's some openings. Now, the reason why I've left openings and made nice slots is everyone has their own special sharp kitchen knife that they like using, or dish up ladles or wooden spoons. So I've left that open there for you to decide what you want to populate it with. But what comes with the kit is obviously the 4 forks, knives, spoons and teaspoons as per normal. And then what we've added 4 really good high quality steak knives. These are sharp as, fully serrated, and they come in these nice little protective cardboard sleeving, so it doesn't pierce or cut any of the canvas. So that all together, all inclusive, a 4-piece dining set, guys. Make sure you check us out. For more information, go to thebushcompany.net. See you later.